Hello everybody, we welcome you to this early morning session from TestGallery Hagerbach. My name is Dirk Krueger, and close to me is my colleague Jozsef Hecht Méndez. We both are geophysicists in the geophysics unit of Amberg Technologies. And today we would like to show you a short description and examples of our new recent features and new evolution of geological prediction in tunneling ahead with our TSP system. TSP stands for Tunnel Seismic Prediction. Before we start, we would like to show you a short movie to explain what the TSP method is about. So we can start the movie now. So tunneling is a risky job due to geological hazards that can happen during tunneling. To detect these hazard zones in ahead of excavation, we use our TSP systems where we drill 24 shot holes which are charged with a low amount of explosives. Behind this layout of 24 shot holes, we install 2 receivers, each on each tunnel wall, and install receivers with seismic sensors, 3-component sensors in 2-meter depth. Altogether is then wired with a recording unit, recording the data. So we wire a trigger box, the receiver units, and everything is wired. But we stop now here for further explanation, and I will show you something. So this is our TSP system of tomorrow, where we have a tough bed, a trigger box, and recording, and our transceiver, and all are connected wireless. So we can go on with further description.
Yeah, let's continue with the demonstration now. You see now we have a spherical field traveling through the rock mass. This is reflected in those areas where you have a discontinuity, a fracture zone, and we repeat this process 24 times in the tunnel, as you can see now in the video. Once data has been collected, then we go into processing and evaluation of this data. So for doing that, we have a sophisticated processing monitor, a user-friendly interface, which will guide the user through every single step during processing, preparing the data for the final results, as you are looking now on this video. Once we see or we identify those dangerous zones that are highlighted in red now, then the excavation can get closer to this dangerous zone. It can make more probe drills, more investigation, and even, as you see now, some countermeasures to stabilize the rock mass. By doing this, then we guarantee a safety pass through the rock mass.
Yeah. As seen at the beginning of the video, we have shown you the current system, which is wired, but now we will have a look to the system of tomorrow, which is completely wireless. So we have 3-component seismic transceivers, we have wireless multifunctional trigger boxes, and the data acquisition is done completely via a rugged tablet. So we achieved with the new system 90% of weight saving. We are fully TBM compatible, and we can work more user-friendly and have more mobility in working in the tighter tunnel. So before we go on, we would like to show you the components of the system. So Jozsef, please start to explain.
Nice. Here we have one of the new components of the system. This is the TSP transceivers. This device will send the data recorded by our seismic sensors to the field tablet. In addition, we have integrated some LEDs that allows the user to know the status of the transceiver. For instance, it is in standby, it is ready for recording, or the status of the battery. Another device I want to show you is our new wireless trigger box. This device synchronizes this data being recorded by the transceivers with the field tablet, but moreover, it just gives the triggering point, okay, at the moment of the explosion. All these devices means 4 receivers. The trigger box is connected to the tablet via Wi-Fi. So only you need a Wi-Fi in your tunnel. The last thing I want to show you is the TSP impact hammer. This is an alternative seismic source for doing TSP in tunnels where you are not allowed to use explosive. This device works with compressed airs with which pull a rod to the tunnel wall, and it will make single impacts in the tunnel wall. Another advantage of this device is that you don't need to drill a hole to have the seismic source. So this device is quite efficient for tunnels being constructed using tunnel boring machines. Okay, that is from the TSP of tomorrow. We would like to do now a live demonstration. For safety reasons, of course, we cannot blast here today, but we will do that with a sledgehammer. But first, let's watch some real blasting at some of our working sites in projects around the globe. Please play the video.
Okay, so meanwhile, I've prepared the system. I set up the Wi-Fi. We would like to demonstrate now you a data acquisition, since we are not allowed to use any blasting material here. So we will do a short demonstration with the sledgehammer. So I will start the recording that the system is set up and will be ready for recording. And once we have the full control, we are ready for recording. And Jozsef, you can hit now the wall. So 3, 2, 1. So we see directly after he hit the wall, the data are sent via Wi-Fi to our TAF book. And we can control shortly the data quality if we receive the data. If we are satisfied with the results, we go on, we save the data, go on for the next shot. So we'll do 2 more shots now. And then we start the recording to be ready for trigger the signal. Wait now until the sensors are set. We are now ready again, and we go on. 3, 2, 1. Okay. We save again. Do the next shot. So we are ready again. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so assuming we have done now all the measurements, we save the data, and we will have a full control of the recorded data. We would like to show you a short movie now, how we can proceed to control the data quality within the tunnel directly on the TAF book. We will show now a short movie again. Please, okay, Jozsef.
So in the movie now you see these are the 3 hits we have done in the wall. We are doing some zooming now in the TAF book just to let you see the first arrivals of this seismic information. So now you see the first millisecond. Now you have here the triggering time, which is 0 in microseconds. Now we see the first arrival of the wave traveling from the source point to the receiver, and then you see the subsequent seismic events. This is everything about the data acquisition. And now, that we want to show you.
Okay, so we have seen how easy it is to handle the new system where we can be completely free in moving around the tunnel. We have more freedom to proceed with our measurements. With the new devices we provide with the impact hammer, so we are completely TBM compatible, and we are have more mobility inside tunnel to cover all different kinds of excavation processes.
So we hope you like this demonstration. We invite you to keep tuned for the next live events here in Hagerbach. It was a pleasure for us to present you the TSP of tomorrow. And please enjoy this the whole day. We have live streams here, so celebrating the 50 years of Hagerbach. Please stay healthy. on. See you in the next event or in your next working site. Bye-bye.